Green flag, the track is green, so it's all up to Travis now. By the way, the mark to beat, 3:45.09, the front end way up in the air. Woo, listen to that turbo just chirp as he gets out of the throttle. 309.7. He was much further than that in his first pull.
Well, and you saw that bounce up and down. He leaves the line. He gets a nice, clean barrel of smoke coming out of the stack, so you know he's got good air movement inside of the engine. When the front end launches, though, and comes back down, he loses 5 to 10 feet off of his distance, so you can only imagine what kind of run he could have had.